Ac family, Remio Mercado and family, Eugene Esteban, Fritz Diana Bautista and family, Daisy Palyasigi and family, Maria and Lynette Oscar Acude and family, Roberto D. Gueco, Raimundo Gueco and family, Ricky Puno Duncan, Zenaida Puno Duncan, Leon Duncan, Teresita Corpus and family, Nicasio Lusong and family, Amelita C. Sison, Angelita B. Castro and family, Florencio Capili and family, Alvin Capili and family, Mr. and Mrs. Florentino Mercado and family, Noel Santos and family, Mendoza and Montero family, Manalo Patdu family, Albert and Mary Grace Patdu, Zuniga and family, Elio B. Angeles Sr. and family, Julius Ryan Angeles and family, April Ann Angeles Cambronero and family, Paulo May and Adrian Paulo Tarok, Matilde Ciplon and family, John Kevin and Glenda Castro, Dr. Neon and Natividad Corpus and family,